Internet of Things, or IoT, is a network of real-world objects with integrated electrical components that make up a device. Remote control of this equipment is possible via an Internet connection. These devices include various features, including sensors, actuators, and controllers. Wi-Fi, cellular LTE, and satellite data are widely used by IoT devices to connect to the Internet. IoT is used in various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, real estate, and retail. A few examples of IoTs include smartwatches, intelligent security systems, fitness trackers, and thermostats. After introducing these tools, the tech industry was surprised by their powers. Although helpful, these tools are susceptible to DDoS attacks and other Internet crimes. A DDoS assault involves an attacker saturating a target server or network with unsolicited traffic, making it impossible to use their devices. IoT devices are more susceptible to distributed denial of service (DDoS) assaults compared to PCs connected to the Internet due to the absence of firewalls, open ports, and physical hardening components. An attacker can send a request to a particular site from several machines at once using other devices called zombies. DDoS can occur in several different ways. It can happen if an attacker employs zombie machines. Computers can also be rented from VPS providers to commit these crimes. They can also be acquired as well from previous attacks that an attacker might have committed.
Cybercriminals frequently use DDoS to demand money from businesses or for politically motivated reasons. IoT devices are vulnerable. They permit any
connected device in a network to control that system because they lack an internal interpreter of firewall rules. Telnet is used by these Internet of Things, IoT, and they use port 23, allowing most devices to be able to control them. If a router's configuration is misconfigured, an attacker using Shodan can SSH and remote into your device from any location. The Mirai attack was one of the initial wake-up calls for security in the IoT ecosystem. Mirai botnet was a major discovery. This attack started the most significant major distributed denial of service attack to date. Internet users on the east coast of the United States of America could not use the Internet. IoT uses Telnet, which is risky because of the way it communicates. IoTs are not encrypted. Thus, a beginner with rudimentary Wireshark knowledge can listen to packet chats between public data. As an illustration, consider a thermostat connected to a public wireless network in an unencrypted manner. In that case, someone sitting on that connection could alter the temperature set due to the attacker finding that IoT device on the network. If a vulnerability has been found in the software controlling the thermostat, that could allow an attacker to change the building's temperature at their discretion. There are numerous strategies for avoiding DDoS assaults. IoT can be eliminated from your network as one solution: SDN infrastructure separation, which separates control of the IoTs from the network in a second. A centralized controller with control intelligence can manipulate packets flowing in the network alone because it knows the topology used to build the network. Software-defined traffic analysis, logically located in a central control location, allowing the flow to be dynamic in sections and deletion at remote switches, and an overall network view are all used in SDN. The network control can now be directly programmed thanks to the software-defined architectures, decoupling the network control from the data forwarding algorithm through a protocol called OpenFlow, which enables OpenFlow. Various computers include built-in encryption methods next to their chipset on their motherboards. Using this technique makes it challenging for someone to simply replace a computer's hard disk and extract data. As a result, IoT is highly vulnerable
due to a lack of technology. The lack of TPM and hardening components in IoT makes it simple for attackers to target these devices. Features such as BitLocker enabled are far more secure than IoT devices, thanks to Apple's T1, for example. IoTs are extremely helpful. These gadgets let us automatically turn off our lights before leaving for work. They let you open or close your garage door as your car model is detected. However, what if someone now has access to your devices and can turn the lights off while you're reading a book or taking a shower? What if someone could watch everything your home security camera does? To ensure the security of our IoT, security measures must be put in place.